Hello students. In this session, we will discuss about exponent, which is very important feature in mathematics. So, first we will discuss how to express, how to define exponent in general term. We can express or define exponent like a to the power n or a to the power minus n. Here you can see I have written n with plus sign and n with minus sign. Means we can write exponent using positive integer and using negative integer. So in a to the power n, a is called base and n or minus n is an exponent, which means we can write a n times. As for example, 4 square. Here 2 is called exponent and 4 is called its base. And we have to write 4 2 times and multiply, then we will get 16. Means exponent tells us according to the value of exponent you have to multiply that many times its base, and then you will get the like that. I have taken 4 raised to the power minus 2, in which minus 2 is an exponent and 4 is its base. We can write 4 raised to the power minus 2 as 1 upon 4 square, which is equal to 1 upon 4 into 4, which is equal to 1 upon 16. Now, we will see the result when our exponent is even or odd with negative base. Means the base will be here negative. In the last slide, you have seen base was positive and here I have taken base negative. And also in the last slide, I had taken exponent positive and negative. But here little bit different. I am going to take, pay attention. Here I have taken base negative and the behavior of exponent is even or odd. So, when base is negative and exponent is even number, then always we will get positive integer. And when base is negative integer and exponent is odd number, then always we will get negative integer. As for example, for first expression, I have taken minus 3 raised to the power 4. Means 4 times you have to write minus 3 and multiply. So you can see here I have multiplied here first 2 minus 3 and I have got 9 into last 2 I have multiplied and got 9 again. Then I have multiplied 9 into 9, which is equal to 81, and then which is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. When you will convert this one, means this 81 in the form of exponent, you will get 3 raised to the power 4. Means minus 3 raised to the power 4, in which base is a negative integer, and here you are getting base positive integer. Why? Because exponent is here even number. And also for the second expression, example 2, minus 3 negative base and exponent is an odd number, which is 3. Means you have to multiply minus 3 3 times, then you will get 9 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 27. Means when exponent is odd with negative base, always we get negative integer. When you will express this one in exponent, you will get minus 3 raised to the power 3, which is equal to minus a raised to the power n. Now we will discuss exponent with rational numbers, and when exponent is positive or exponent is negative. So topic is positive integral exponent of a rational number. Let a upon b be any rational number and n be a positive integer. Then a upon b raised to the power n is equal to a to the power n upon b to the power n. Here you have to focus. A upon b I have taken and simply I have distributed according to the law exponent to a and b, and you have to simplify it. As for example, 4 upon 7 raised to the power n, which is equal to 4 raised to the power 3 upon 7 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 64 upon 343. But in the case of negative integral exponent of a rational number, here you have to observe nicely. Let a, b be any rational number and n be a negative integer. Then a upon b raised to the power minus n is equal to b upon a raised to the power n. Here I have written reciprocal of a upon b because its exponent is negative. So numerator and denominator will change its place. Nothing else you have to do, nothing extra. So as for example, 4 upon 7 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 4 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 7 raised to the power 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 343 divided by 64. And one more very important expression, very important result. When exponent is 0, then always you will get 1. In the expression, a upon b raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. As for example, 4 upon 7 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So, thank you. Have a nice day.